In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Sky Manager and customize physical sky in Cinema 4D. Let's begin inside your Cinema 4D scene. Look for the physical sky object in your Object Manager. It usually appears with a sky icon and the name Physical Sky. Click to select it so it's highlighted. If you have multiple sky-related objects, make sure you're choosing the physical sky and not a different environment. It can help to rename it clearly so you always know which one you're adjusting. With the physical sky selected, simply double-click it. That quick action opens the Sky Manager window. This is your control center for everything related to your sky. At the top, you'll see a live preview that updates as you tweak settings so you can judge the look without committing to a full render. Below or alongside the preview, you'll find a list of effects and their parameters, neatly organized so you can focus on exactly what you want to change. Now it's time to adjust the settings. Start with 2D clouds to define the overall atmosphere. Increase density for a dramatic overcast look or reduce it for clearer skies. You can experiment with scale and softness to control the character of the cloud shapes. Subtle adjustments tend to look more natural, so move sliders in small increments and watch the preview respond. Next, refine the sun. The sun controls will shape the mood of your lighting. Adjust the sun's intensity to brighten or soften your scene, and fine-tune its position to simulate different times of day. Warmer tones suggest sunrise or sunset, while neutral tones feel like midday. Keep an eye on shadows in your preview, as sun angle has a big impact on contrast and depth. If your shot calls for it, enable and adjust the moon. You can balance the moon's brightness with your sun settings for twilight scenes, or emphasize it for a night shot. Pair that with stars, increasing or decreasing their visibility and intensity to match your desired level of realism. Lower values often look more believable unless you're going for a stylized night sky. Finally, take advantage of sky or weather presets. These give you a quick starting point from clear skies to stormy atmospheres. Load a preset, then personalize it with your cloud, sun, moon, and star tweaks. Presets are a great way to explore looks rapidly and then dial in the details that suit your scene. That's it. Select the physical sky, double-click to open the Sky Manager, and tailor the clouds, sun, moon, stars, and presets to craft the perfect sky.